be able to collab with the team of GMA is something I look forward to. My reaction when I first found out the collaboration ng Kapuso Stars and Kapamilya Stars, sobra akong excited to the point na I'm really wishing na matuloy. Kasi nung time na yon, nung nadinig ko, hindi pa masyadong sure yung plans. But now that it's happening, sobrang akong excited kasi alam naman natin that GMA is #1 ngayon. So parang to be able to collab with the team of GMA is something I look forward to, something that I am excited to see and experience kasi syempre for the rest of my journey in showbiz industry, it's always been with ABS. So now, finally, I can officially say that I'm working with GMA.